Presiden Kesang Aceh Dedicated Integrity Leaders Francis C. Merak ulakran syah bakum kejap benri garo kamdan bentai ARUM ha kata kejeng ya kajani ha kata kejeng ki kebalakot da ke All Assam Minority Student Union ha bakran hai kilat pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club ulong bakum kejap benri garo kidan kejeng ya day kebejan bat pai bat nong syong ke jela Assam ki Assamese tam ki bedai ki Hindu bat kejeng ya burong ke bamar kalyang kaladan ha priang jongkina do ki por berim beja unong yalam Kesang adel ulakran syai ba kahat simageri kadai kasnang po Assam kumta amla ban kata ya kakai petang kabahap hapo kejela Meghalaya bat kumba kalong haduk mentai ki surak habayade bat kalik kawan kakai kapatang ki dan bontri kam de tangka te kawai ban penti kenaba kajeng yakit ya kimar ki mata ha kakai petang kayat bet ya renti umarak udan kejeng snyak skam ba sarkar jela bat ka sarkar peng kin pet bat penti kenaba kajeng penpa ya kimar ba mardi kam de bantut namar ba kahat sim Gimari kebahab ha Assam bat ulakhat lower ya baro ban penting kena bakan dan kasyong suk syong sai bat kanum dan kejengtot ha wapen pa ya kimar ba mardi Shagaro Hills.
I am the president of Aceh Dedicated Integrity Leaders, what we call ADL, from Garo Hills region. Today we are here to condemn the protest and the statement given by AMSU regarding the supply of essential goods to Garo Hills. The All Assam Minority Students Union, AMSU, of Hatsingmari, Assam, has announced a protest and a road blockage on 25th April 2025, targeting the supply of essential goods and commodities to Garo Hills, Meghalaya. We, the indigenous people of Garo Hills, wish to state unequivocally that we have no involvement in any communal dispute on communal grounds. However, we are prepared to face any form of retaliation, fully aware of the potential impact such action may cause. We firmly believe that Hatsingmari of Assam is not the guardian of Meghalaya. Our relation with our Assamese Hindu brothers and sisters remain strong. We acknowledge the continued support for the people of Garo Hills. The Government of India is our sole protector and a supply of essential goods for our survival. Even if supplies from Hatsingmari of Assam are disrupted, Garo Hills has multiple alternative routes to access commodities, including Tura to Garobada via Silsila Pulbari, Tura to Tikilkila via Pedaldoba, Williamnagar to Dubnoi, Rongjeng via Mangsang, Atiabari to Boko Guwahati, Tura via Dadengre to Pulbari, Bajingduba via Agia to Golpara Bongaigaon. Additionally, we have even train connection to Garo Hills to other states. These routes ensure that our people can sustain themselves and maintain trade with Assam and beyond. We question the relevance of AMSU to our lives. The threats of blockades do not affect our ability to sustain ourselves, as we have our own revenue sources and we can procure goods from elsewhere. However, they should recognize that to reach Hatsingmari from mainland Assam, one should travel through Meghalaya Garo Hills Road. Their actions appear self-defeating. The statement issued by AMSU does not make sense to the citizens of Meghalaya. Our government of Meghalaya and the central government of India are committed to ensure uninterrupted supply of goods to Garo Hills. If supplies from Hatsingmari, Assam are completely stopped, we are confident that our trade and business can be redirected towards other parts of Assam and central India. We emphasize that Hatsingmari belongs to Assam and its Assamese Hindu community, not to immigrants, Bangladeshi, Muslims misrepresenting themselves. This distinction strengthens the position of the indigenous Garo people and highlights our rightful place within the Indian Union. No such kind of incident or the tragedy had happened, but what we can see in the social media that they have fully shut down all the what called the wholesaler which are being transported or taken to Garo Hills, and we have got multiple sources. We are not scared of the blockades by the Hatsingimari AMSU statement or the protest or the blockades right now. On the 25th of April, and it continues right now. And they are organizing through whole outer, like a plain belt area of Assam, beginning from the Mankasar, Hatsingimari, and even they have reached even the Krishnai, which is very close to the Garo Hills region, and what we get mainly from Krishnai. And we have seen no action has been given or a statement has given by the state government of Meghalaya, and the Assam government has also not given due to the busy schedule, I think, in the election. That is what we can see right now. We have not written any letter to the authority regarding these essential commodities, like especially vegetables, what we get from the Hatsingimari, but we get from the other sources also. It's not the sole supplier of the vegetables from Hatsingimari alone. We are not. We are ready to face these challenges. But I think once the blockades began, Hatsingimari people is the first one to suffer because they are having a vegetation farming, and if they are nowhere else to supply, it will be in the west. Garo Hills people, we are not scared. We can bring even from the other parts of Assam, like Dutnai, and we have no enmity against the Hindu brothers like Assamese people, Rabas, Garo, Hajong, anything. But these who themselves declare themselves that they belongs to AMSU, what we think is from the immigrants, Bangladeshis, there. No. Statement given by this AMSU. First of all, if we retaliate, actually to travel to Hatsingimari from the mainland of Assam, they have to travel to the Meghalaya road. There is a Pulbari and what called the Tikilkila. Once we retaliate, once we block this road, there will be no other source to go or supply. They will be themselves having a conflict among themselves. Of course, we cannot say that we have got a conflict between the Assam and the Meghalaya, but we have got a conflict between the immigrant Bangladeshis and the Garo due to the participation in the GHDC election, in the last cancellation or the postponement of GHDC election, and now the election is still postponing. We will urge the Assam government also to see or to not to act this way. It's very, very unfair. It's not the AMSU will suffer, but the people of the Hatsingimari will suffer first. The government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya to negotiate on this matter.